Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room, they go by. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price.
Yeah. Get some walk on, you know. Walk on by. One of them man in the way after this. Take the exercise a little bit further than home, you know. Step it out, you know. Yes, sir. On the streets. Walking by the creek. Walk on by. Sea moss, spirulina, oats, almond milk, flaxseed, banana, nutmeg, and all these things. Breakfast, we say, you know. Remember me tell you, chia seed, all them things there night, you know. Yeah, man, that's what the thing said, man. You have to sort out your life, you see me? Get your life. Alright, now let's see what's going on in here. Yeah, man, power green, man, super green, man. So the thing said, man. Wagwan, wagwan. Power green juice, sea moss, almond milk, oats, spirulina, moringa powder, chia, flax. Yes, man. Breakfast this, you know. Yeah, man. Oats, nutmeg, all these things. I wonder if I should just put some of this in it. Yep. So me and the little youth heading out on the street. Have some sodas that a friend of mine gave me, that I'm gonna drop off at the church, so that anybody who needs it can get it, you know. And then we're gonna make 2 spins and see what's going on out there, you know. We have been avoiding the road as much as possible in recent times, and so when we get the opportunity to go out and, you know, we do that. We're going to just say hello. For the most part, we are not gonna be outside, you know, I mean, interacting with people for the most part. So we have our mask on and everything, but we're just taking all the necessary precautions. Yeah, outer road, we say. See what's going on the streets of Miami. We're in Miami Gardens. So yeah.
Okay, so we made it to church. Now we're just going to put the sodas in the room.
Alright? So this is for all those anybody who need it. Just make sure so them have something, you know? Alright, so we drop off this stuff, and a friend of mine, his church is doing a food drive today.
Take the next right onto Florida 924 East, Northwest 119th Street.
And I'm gonna head over to his church.
Continue on Florida 924 East for 2 miles.
And I'm gonna see what they have, and if there's anything that I can get from them, so that, because our church is not doing we are not doing a food drive, so to speak, you know. So I'm just gonna see what they have, and if I can get something from them, then I will utilize that to, you know, help somebody else in our church. So let's see what happens. We're heading over there now. So we're running a little bit late. Everybody is done. Everything is done, so we have to move on it. Yeah, can I open the back there? Can I open the back there? Yes, please. Yes, man. I'm gonna give me. I'm a church. Me a come for. Yeah, I have some seniors at my church. I try to help them out. Oh. Thank you guys so much.
You eat your food?
Yes, man. Everything, anything you can give, we are gonna give it away.
I put 2, I went to street too, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So we came a little bit late, but at the same time we were still able to grab, you know, maybe just a couple of items. Yeah, that church in Hollywood, they have been doing this ever since this disaster happened, and God is just good. There are agencies out there giving away, Feeding South Florida, No Kid Left Behind, stuff like that. Different agencies are giving, but we want to thank God because the church is still giving, and you know, we're just doing what we can. You know, I know that there are some folks at my church who could use some of these items, and so that's what we're here to do. You know, I got a bag with some chicken. I got maybe some juice, maybe a cup of banana, green banana, some stuff like that. So yeah, let's see what happens. All right, we're out on these streets. I'm gonna try to the bakery and get some bread. Maybe I'm gonna buy about a dozen bread. And so we're heading into the bakery now, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get some stuff. Maybe some snack cakes, maybe couple of bread I can get. I'm put on my mask. Oh, it's the camera.
Okay, so we have bread that we just bought. We have some fruits and orange juice. And then here we have frozen chicken. Type of chicken and sandwiches.
And we have some grocery here, banana, orange, and a couple other grocery items. Small amount, but enough to help somebody.
So guys, we stopped at Taste Right Bakery near to where we live. So my dad can pick up some soup for us to eat for breakfast, since we didn't eat any breakfast. So yeah, stay tuned.
So we stop at Taste Right to get extra soup for our friends, but he has to stay outside because I think there's 2 people inside. They only allow them like the Noah's Ark, 2 by 2. Why? So he has to wait until one of those 2 people come out of the store. It's a very small patty place. And yeah. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. 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 I like the fact that the N95 mask is more protective, way more protective than those flimsier versions. I think are those called surgical masks? I don't know. The other ones, the yellow ones, the blue ones, those type, those are not as protective as this N95 mask. However, I don't like the fact that it is so difficult to put on and off. You guys can see I have this part not secured. One, it squeezes like crazy. And if I would like to take off my mask to say something or to do something, it's crazy. I have to do all of this stuff. Oh, I'm in the car, so I can take my mask off. But yeah, this is what I have to do to take the mask off, as opposed to the little flimsy one where it just goes behind the ear like this. This would be the one for the flimsy mask. This is how you would put it on, just behind the ear. So if you want, you could just take it off the ear and you're good to go. But this, remember, I tell you, you have to force these 2 things behind your head. And it's a chore, and it's uncomfortable, but yeah, I guess it is a very, very, very practical trade-off. Practical? No, not practical. It's worthy. Soup's on, soup's on. Soup is on. Soup man.
Yeah, that's me.
Soup man, yeah, that's me.
Stop laughing, man. I'm serious. Me order Aki Patty. Them charge me for Aki Patty. And when me open it, beef patty. So them gone with $1.10.
What do you mean gone with $1.10?
$1.90 for the beef patty and a $3 for the Aki patty.
Plus you never really want to eat no beef.
I mean, never want to eat no beef. No, but I say, oh, that Aki has taste so. If I never that me there so far, I would turn back. May I tell you the truth. If I never there so far, I would turn back. But me there too far. Nikki, have to help me out.
2 by 2, they coming for you from the end of the day.
So we're on the road again. This time I'm buy some soup for my brethren, you know, because they love the soup, but they moved away, so they're not close to the soup anymore. So the wife is gonna drop off some product, and guys, we could have mailed the product, but we just decided to, you know, we've been cooped up in the house for too long, man. So we're just gonna drop the product by one of our customers, and then drop out the soup. No physical contact, social distancing, all of those protocols shall be observed. And then we just take the time and drive home. It's been a while. We ain't been on the street for a while, and I'm tired of seeing her in the house, and she's tired of seeing me in the house. So, right? Well, I guess I'm just tired.
The date day. This is a date day, you guys.
You mean drive out?
We're on a date. Everything has been changed, you know. So what was a drive is now a date. And you guys,
Every single time.
Anybody watch my vlogs? anybody watch my vlogs?
Our vlogs.
As usual, you guys, it never fails. Soon as we hit the car, the highway to be specific, rain never fails. It never fails. Blessings.
Fall on the right hand. Building them, look how fast the building them come up, see? The whole over that backside there don't get blurs out. So I leave a bridge in them house right now, drop off the stuff and head into the wifey customer. Yeah, sometimes you have to just surprise people, you know. So we're out the road again, road time. So this girl, we have ended up turning this little simple delivery into a date, and this is our date food, Impossible Whopper.
Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you.
And she gets our what's that mocha cappuccino Ray. How the Impossible Whopper taste? Impossibly good.
It's good. It's
You
awesome.
like it?
Good.
Yep. So this is us making good use of our time as we are out here in these streets. I'm not supposed to be driving and holding the camera, so I'm about to hang up. But oh, not hang up, sorry. But yeah, we're in Fort Lauderdale and we're heading south and spending some time with this lovely lady, showing her that we still can find romantic moods even if it's stuck in our car just having Burger King. Hey, once we're together, right? Right. So we are back home, just gonna wash hands and face, and even though we didn't really interact much with people, we stopped at the bakery and Taste Right, which is one of my favorite places. I've not been there through this whole epidemic thing. I've not been to my local store. I've been to the one in Pembroke Pines, and we got some soup because Joshua wants soup. And those are some of the things that I buy on the street. If I have to buy stuff, I want hot stuff. I don't buy fast food and snacks like that, or stuff that is prepared like that. I want stuff that is hot and can be reheated. Yeah, this is just a little exercise, me and the boy up on the road, so keep you guys updated. If you want to hear more about the COVID-19 and our vlogs, I invite you to subscribe to my wife's channel at Natural Hairnamics. I'm gonna put the information in the description box so you can subscribe to her channel. She has a lot more of those type of vlogs with us in it as well, but I just felt like I needed to do this today. So tomorrow when I'm at church, I'll be distributing most of the stuff that I did get, and we'll see if anybody else from our church comes up with anything. We are going through a transitional period right now at our church, so it's been a whole lot of different things, different transactions, and we've been helping on an individual basis, but now we're trying to put it together as a collective. And so let's see what happens. Yardie TV, doing our best in spite of. Yeah, remember, give the little that you have, give out of the little that you have, and God will bless you greatly. For it's the same amount of measure that you bless somebody with, that God will bless you with. Yeah, COVID-19 pandemic thing, rough, and a lot of people are going through a lot of stuff. Aside from mourning for their families and stuff, they're going through economical issues, economical crises, and we are not immune. Yardie TV, our family is not immune, but whatever we can share, we're going to share. Whatever we can give, we're going to give. And to God be the glory. Yeah? Big up on yourself. And remember, live and laugh, cook and eat.